very fucking hard. I'm going to see if I can get tickets to the Bicentennial Experience. So it's amazing. They actually allow me to be put on the wait list, and they'll call me when there's a available slot to watch the Bicentennial Experience.
Our journey begins 700 years ago. Southeast Asia. He claims the island on behalf of his lion throne and renames it Singapore, or Lion City. A ship filled with precious cargo of musk, Chinese raw silk, and porcelain.
Those who are sensitive to smoke or have any motion sickness, please avoid the first two rooms.
Since the 17th century, the Dutch have been aggressively building the monopoly in the East Indies. In a bid to break the Dutch stronghold, a 38-year-old British officer from the East India Company set sail into the eastern seas on board the Indiana. His name is Stanford Raffles, and he is determined to find that one free port on the seas. Raffles and Farquhar craft a treaty of friendship and alliance to formalize British presence on the island. The Singapore Treaty is signed on 6 February at an elaborate ceremony appointing Tengku Long as the new Sultan of Singapore and permitting the British to set up a trading post on the island. In 9 days, Raffles and Farquhar changed the destiny of the region. In Chinatown, merchants Tan Tock Seng and Xia Yuqian work alongside Syed Omar Al-Junaid.
The New Diana is not just a war vessel that helps fight piracy, she is also a symbol of change. Steam engines lead the way for Singapore's age of industrialization and modernity. In 1923, the causeway opens, bringing a new surge of trade from Malaya. By the time train services start, Singapore's status as an important hub is seen. Businessman Tan Kim Seng starts an initiative to provide public waterworks and later has a fountain erected in his name. People come from all over, adding their unique cultures to the melting pot. Japanese occupation, the population feels a stronger allegiance to their motherlands than to Singapore. This is all about to change. By late December of 1941, it is clear that the Allied troops have lost ground to the Japanese.
Proceed this way to the next set. You give way to the priority users to go in front.
To round up Chinese males deemed as threats. They are then loaded into lorries and taken away to be massacred. The Chinese call it Su Qing, which means cleansing. This is the account of a survivor, Yap Yen Hong.
Our hands were tight, our knees were tight, and we were telling ourselves that they were really going to shoot us. They were really going to kill us. The moment my knobs came into contact with the seawater, it became loose and I swam outwards. My idea was to get away from that area as far as possible. When I looked back, I heard the whistle, an ordinary whistle. And somehow or other, it clicked in my mind. This is when the firing would start. I took a deep breath and went underwater. And I could hear the bullets ricocheting above me. I never knew what a ricocheting bullet sounded like. It went shoo, shoo, shoo above water.
Please take an umbrella from the side and proceed into the raining area. Please only open your umbrellas when you're inside the raining area. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Act 5. Please take an umbrella from the side and proceed into the raining area.
Take an umbrella.
Feel free to spread around for a better view experience, but please do not lean against the glass panel.
It took us a while to realize it, but our history had made us quite different from the region. Throughout the colonial period, we were never governed as part of Malaya. It is August 9th, 1968, and we are here at a time where spectators and contingents are standing in pouring rain. Despite the stormy weather, there is a strong sense that we are all in this together. No one is going anywhere. On this great day in March 2015, thousands of everyday Singaporeans have braved heavy rains to pay their last respects to the nation's founding Prime Minister. Rain has always been a part of the Singapore story. Skies are clearing and sunny weather is forecast. You can leave your umbrellas closed today. Of all months, all 4 million Singaporeans faced one common enemy. As we shelved all other work to fight this one common enemy. At 5:56 a.m. on 22nd May 2009, the Singapore Women's Everest team makes its historic ascent to the summit of Mount Everest. It is our time to figure it out. Our journey from Singapore to Singaporean. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for being a part of our Singapore Bicentennial Experience.
After that, proceed over here at the boarding station. Please move all the way in so that everyone can have a better view. Thank you.
So I just watched the Bicentennial Experience from Singapore to Singaporean. It was a really fantastic show.